Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a very special journey together, a journey inward to unlock something truly magical that resides within each of us, our inner glow. Have you ever met someone who just seems to radiate light? They walk into a room and you can feel their positive energy. That's not just a personality trait, it's a state of being, and it's something we can all cultivate. This is what I call harmonious light living. It's about aligning your mind, body, and spirit to let your authentic self shine brightly. So, what exactly is this inner glow? It's the visible manifestation of your inner harmony. It's the sparkle in your eye when you're passionate about something, the warmth in your smile, the confidence in your step. It's a blend of inner peace, genuine joy, and vibrant health. When these elements are in balance, you don't just feel good on the inside, you literally glow on the outside. Harmonious light living isn't about chasing some fleeting trend or following a rigid set of rules. It's a gentle, loving approach to life that honors your unique essence. It's about making conscious choices that nourish you from the inside out. Let's start with the first pillar of harmonious light living, mindful presence. In our fast-paced world, our minds are constantly racing, jumping from one thought to the next, worrying about the future or replaying the past. But our inner glow can only be found in the present moment. Mindfulness is the practice of gently bringing your awareness to the here and now, without judgment. It can be as simple as taking 3 deep, conscious breaths before you start your day. Feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, release any tension you're holding. Notice the sensation of your feet on the ground as you walk. Savor the taste and texture of your food instead of eating on autopilot. These small acts of presence anchor you in the now, calming the mental chatter and creating space for your inner light to emerge. A powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness is a simple daily meditation practice. You don't need to sit for an hour in silence. Start with just 5 minutes. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Your mind will wander, and that's completely okay. The practice is not about having an empty mind. It's about gently and kindly bringing your attention back to your breath over and over again. This simple act trains your brain to be less reactive and more present, fostering a deep sense of inner peace that is the very foundation of your glow. Think of it as clearing the clouds so the sun can shine through. Now, let's talk about the second pillar, nourishing your vessel. Our bodies are our sacred homes in this life, and how we treat them has a direct impact on our energy and radiance. Harmonious light living encourages us to see food not just as fuel, but as information and energy for our cells. It's about choosing foods that are vibrant, alive, and full of nutrients. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and clean proteins. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Do you feel energized and light after a meal, or heavy and sluggish? Your body has an incredible intelligence. We just need to learn to listen to it. Hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins, keep your skin plump, and your energy levels high. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to boost your natural glow. Beyond what you eat, how you move your body is crucial. Movement isn't about punishment or forcing yourself into grueling workouts. It's a celebration of what your body can do. Find a form of movement that you genuinely enjoy. Maybe it's dancing around your living room to your favorite song, a gentle yoga flow, a brisk walk in nature, or cycling with a friend. When you move with joy, you release endorphins, reduce stress, and increase circulation, which brings a beautiful, healthy flush to your skin. Regular, joyful movement helps you connect with your body in a positive way, building strength, confidence, and a vibrant energy that shines from within. Remember, the goal is to feel good, not to fit a certain mold. The third pillar is perhaps the most transformative, cultivating heart-centered connections. We are social beings, and the quality of our relationships deeply affects our well-being. Harmonious light living is about nurturing connections that are built on love, respect, and authenticity. This starts with the relationship you have with yourself. Practice self-compassion. Speak to yourself with the same kindness and encouragement you would offer a dear friend. Celebrate your wins and be gentle with yourself when you stumble. A regular gratitude practice can work wonders here. Each day, take a moment to write down or think about 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit shifts your focus from what's lacking to the abundance that already exists in your life, filling your heart with warmth and positivity. This heart-centered approach extends to your relationships with others. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who see your light and reflect it back to you. Healthy boundaries are an act of love, both for yourself and for others. It's okay to say no to things that drain your energy. It's okay to create space from relationships that feel heavy or negative. By curating your social circle, you create an environment where your inner glow is protected and encouraged to shine even brighter. True connection is about quality, not quantity. Even 1 or 2 deep, supportive friendships can be a powerful source of light in your life. The final pillar we'll explore today is aligning with your purpose. This sounds grand, but it's really about connecting with what makes you feel alive and passionate. What are the activities that make you lose track of time? What are the topics you could talk about for hours? This is your soul's language. Your purpose doesn't have to be your job. It can be a hobby, a creative pursuit, or a way you contribute to your community. It's the why that fuels you. When you're engaged in activities that align with your unique passions and values, you tap into an endless source of energy and inspiration. This is when your glow becomes truly magnetic. To discover or reconnect with your purpose, give yourself permission to be curious and to play. Try new things. Take a class in something you've always been interested in. Volunteer for a cause you care about. Spend time in nature, away from the noise of daily life, and just listen to the quiet whispers of your heart. What are you drawn to? What brings you a sense of fulfillment? Don't pressure yourself to have it all figured out. The journey of alignment is a lifelong dance. By simply taking small steps towards what lights you up, you are actively living your purpose, and your entire being will radiate with that authentic, joyful energy. So, to recap our journey into harmonious light living, it's about nurturing your whole self through 4 key pillars. First, mindful presence, anchoring yourself in the now to calm the mind. Second, nourishing your vessel, fueling your body with vibrant foods and joyful movement. Third, cultivating heart-centered connections, fostering love for yourself and others through gratitude and healthy boundaries. And fourth, aligning with your purpose, engaging with what makes you feel truly alive. Remember, unlocking your inner glow is not a destination, it's a daily practice of choosing love, choosing presence, and choosing what nourishes you. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Some days you'll shine so brightly, and other days your light might feel a little dimmer, and that's perfectly okay. The practice is to keep gently returning to these principles, to keep tending to your inner garden. Your light is unique, it is beautiful, and the world needs you to share it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this serves as a gentle inspiration on your own journey. If this resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a vibrant, authentic life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which pillar are you most excited to focus on? Sending you so much love and light. See you in the next video.